Choices, choices, so many choices. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies on the market now. Just how many depends on whom you ask. You could go with metaverse cryptos. Today, we'll tell you about the 10 cryptocurrency stock to buy now. Number 10, Coinbase Global Inc. Coinbase is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges with over 73 million verified users. The company started as a crypto exchange, but in April 2021, it became a publicly traded company through its initial public offering. The crypto trading platform allows users to buy and sell digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and hundreds of other coins at a small fee. While Coinbase is a crypto trading platform, it has several other features that make it one of the best cryptocurrency stocks to buy. The company offers blockchain analytics to governments, financial institutions, and crypto businesses. Users can monitor fraudulent transactions and millions of wallet addresses across the crypto space using Coinbase Analytics. With rising cybercrime cases, blockchain analytics ultimately build more trust in the industry. The crypto exchange company also recently announced its move into a non-fungible token space. The primary reason for this move is to expand the creator economy by allowing artists and others to profit from their work. Coinbase NFT means more accessibility to NFTs. Number 9, Tesla Inc. TSLA. Tesla, an electric car company, ranks second on the list of the best cryptocurrency stocks. The company has proven to be one of the most successful companies in the EV market, with a market cap that reached over $1 trillion. The electric car manufacturer has always been a cryptocurrency advocate and believes in the future of crypto assets. With about $1.5 billion invested in Bitcoin, Tesla regularly sells coins to make a profit. In February 2021, Tesla went the extra mile to accept Bitcoin payments to purchase its electric vehicles. Number 8, Nvidia Corporation, NVDA. Nvidia is a graphics processing unit manufacturer that produces chips used in everyday devices. However, the company is best known for its high-end powering video gaming graphics cards. Recently, Nvidia launched CMP-HX, a product designed for professional mining. These CMPs are designed to help you mine efficiently and regain your investment faster. With CMP-HX, you'll get maximum performance. The company also announced its plans to acquire ARM Holdings, a world-class artificial intelligence company. Once the deal is sealed, Nvidia will likely further maintain its leadership in the chip-making industry. As the creator of tech to help support your crypto mining, Nvidia is a solid crypto investment. Number 7, Advanced Micro Devices Inc., AMD. Like Nvidia, AMD is among the leading designers of graphics processing units. The CPUs and GPUs designed are used in crypto mining. While it does not deal with cryptocurrencies directly, it is responsible for high-end graphics that power applications to create crypto assets. The creation of cryptography and blockchain requires intensive computational power. In this case, GPUs are perfect. They are a fundamental piece of hardware that makes it possible to create and manage crypto assets. There was a significant increase in AMD's stock price when cryptocurrency prices rose and the demand for GPUs for mining surged. AMD has safely positioned itself as an industry leader in chip technology. Plans are underway to make acquisitions that will no doubt secure AMD's position in the semiconductor industry. The company continues to develop more technologies such as blockchain, making it a worthy investment now and in the future. Number 6, Square Inc. Block, SQ. The introduction of digital payment methods was mainly aimed at eliminating central intermediaries and reducing costs for both consumers and businesses. Square Inc., now renaming itself Block due to its new focus on blockchain, enables users to buy and hold cryptocurrencies in a digital wallet. Square has made advancements by allowing Bitcoin trading on its Cash app. The company aims to foster Bitcoin use among its users and businesses. Square is set to become a leading platform for crypto transactions between companies and their customers. Traditionally, people have had to rely on banks for international transactions, and they typically pay huge sums in foreign exchange fees. With cryptocurrency transactions, the central intermediary is removed, and thus less money is spent on the transaction process. With an expansion into cryptocurrency and a focus on blockchain, Block stock is a worthwhile investment for beginners or experienced crypto ventures. Number 5. PayPal Holdings, PYPL. PayPal is at the forefront of the digital payment revolution, whose primary goal is to leverage technology to simplify commerce and make financial services more convenient and affordable for its customers. Similar to Cash App, PayPal is a global online payment system. It allows peer-to-peer money transfers through its mobile app, Venmo, and several other ways for people to get paid. In late 2020, PayPal unlocked crypto trading. Venmo became one of the leading crypto platforms by allowing the trading of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is now an important part of PayPal's business, as it terms the digitization of payments and currency inevitable. PayPal has become a solid asset point for any investor who wishes to buy major cryptocurrencies and use them to purchase altcoin or access decentralized finance applications. Number 4. Marathon Digital Holdings Inc., AMRA. Marathon Digital Holdings is currently one of the largest Bitcoin mining companies in the U.S. Mining enables the verification of transactions, security of the blockchain, and addition of new coins and tokens finding their way to the market. As long as mining continues, the crypto ecosystem remains sustainable. Mara helps people gain exposure to Bitcoin without necessarily holding the asset directly, and working through the complications and aims to build the largest Bitcoin mining operation at the lowest energy costs possible. The company focuses on sustainability and environmental protection, so it uses renewable energy providers in its operations. Number 3. Riot Blockchain Inc. Riot Blockchain, an American Bitcoin mining company, is focused on gaining more exposure to the blockchain ecosystem through its mining operations. Riot Blockchain also has a couple of joint ventures, internally developed businesses, and other investments in the blockchain sector. The company is primarily focused on Bitcoin and blockchain technology in general, anticipating a fleet of nearly 80,000 miners in 2022. The company also aims to develop a blockchain-based escrow service for wholesale telecom carriers. Riot is a rapidly growing mining company that aims to expand its operations by increasing its infrastructure capacity and mining hash rate, or mining speed. This expansion makes the crypto stock a lucrative investment opportunity. Number 2. MicroStrategy Inc., MSTR. MicroStrategy Incorporated is a business intelligence and analytics solutions company. The company operations involve the design, development, marketing, and sales of its software platforms. This is mainly done through cloud subscriptions, licensing arrangements, and other related services. MicroStrategy offers to help its customers optimize and maintain their business intelligence platform. MicroStrategy is a data analytics firm, but given its increasing allocation to Bitcoin on its balance sheet, MSTR can be thought of as a proxy for Bitcoin. That is why this company immediately comes to mind as a top cryptocurrency stock. MicroStrategy is among the top publicly traded companies that owns and keeps buying large amounts of Bitcoin. The company announced in December 2021 that it purchased roughly 1,914 Bitcoins for about $94 million in cash. In January, the company bought an additional 660 Bitcoins, worth roughly $25 million. The company now owns more than 122,000 Bitcoins. Number 1. CME Group Inc. CME. CME Group is the world's largest derivatives marketplace. CME Group aims to deliver new and innovative ways of managing risk and improving performance. The company allows you to trade futures, enabling them to buy or sell an asset in the future at a predetermined price. CME trades a highly diversified number of assets across several industries, including stocks, energy, and even currencies. At the end of 2017, CME established the first market for Bitcoin futures, and at the start of 2020, the company created a market for options on Bitcoin futures. As of February 2021, Ether, units of the crypto platform Ethereum, also has futures available on the exchange. Establishing an exchange for derivatives of the best-known cryptocurrencies have given Bitcoin and Ethereum some extra legitimacy and provides a way for digital currency owners, both individuals and a growing list of businesses that accept cryptocurrencies as payment, to mitigate risk from changes in cryptocurrency prices. Cryptocurrency derivatives are still a small market for CME Group, but adding more exchanges for crypto assets in the future is possible and even likely. Which one of them would you like to invest in? Please subscribe to the Stock Advisor. Thanks for watching.